Hey YouTube, Carl here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about mostly sneakers and tech. And today it's all about a massive unboxing of sneakers and different tech products. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are giving away a brand new Adidas D-Rup the moment we hit 5,000 subscribers and an Adidas Profeer the moment we hit 10,000. Subscribe now and connect with me as well on Instagram. This is my first actually Harden Volume 2 shoes. I got this one from Tint, Philippines. You know, one thing that you guys should probably consider if you are buying into sneakers a lot is that you should go for the memberships that they're offering because you get really good discounts. So for Tint, I was able to get, like, I think it's their elite whatever, but as soon as you spend a certain amount on shoes, you get a perpetual 10% discount on selected items. So I actually got 10% of these. Really nice pair. You have the gold stripes here at the upper, the gold Harden logo here, Adidas in gold as well, and that generous, ridiculously generous amount of boost here in the midsole. And of course, the crazy outsole, which basically tells you how crazy Harden is and how unpredictable he is when he plays ball. So this package is actually from Gold Toe Philippines. They're a sock brand and they have a variety of socks that you guys can get. They have kiosks actually over at Uptown Mall, Glorieta 3, Southwoods Mall, and Ayala Malls the 30th. And if you actually go there and tell them the code, promo code hashtag #GoForGoldCarlo, you can actually get a 20% discount. So you get 20% off your next socks. Just use the hashtag or just tell them the promo code hashtag #GoForGoldCarlo. So let's take a look at what's inside the box. A variety of dress socks with prints. So these come in different colors. Dress socks in plain colors: red, black, brown or gray, and another dark blue one. No-show socks. So you have here the usual black color, and of course here you have one in blue and the usual typical green camo. So again, if you guys want no-show socks at 20% off, just go over to their stores and give the promo code hashtag #GoForGoldCarlo. Thank you, Gold Toe Philippines. Up next, we have a bunch of tech gear. So this is from Havit, a portable wireless speaker. It looks like a puck. Let me just adjust the lighting a bit. So it looks really cool, color red. This one sells for less than 2,000 pesos. You have wireless headphones that also sell for less than 200 pesos. You have a Bluetooth headset here with a car charger. And then you have the outdoor Bluetooth speakers that's both IPX, water resistant, and rugged. This one sells for 3,700 pesos. So again guys, you can watch out for the reviews of these gadgets on unbox.ph. Unbox.ph is a gadget site that I actually founded, and we also have a YouTube channel. I'll put links down below so you guys can check them out. Last but not the least, we have two pairs of Yeezys. This is the blue tint and the belugas. Here's a quick pro tip. If you guys are looking for sneakers that are in the reseller market and you don't want to pay top dollar or top peso for them, you can actually check out the different Facebook groups. There are Facebook groups that come in different sizes. So there's a sneaker trade size 12, size 13, size 14, size 11, 10, 9, 8. So all you have to do is find your size, look for the group that's based in the Philippines, and then check out all the different products and services that they have there. Now, what's critical is that you will buy from a market like that one, is that you make sure that what you get are authentic. And to be able to do that, I follow like 4 simple tips. Number 1, I take a look. This is the most important thing that I ask for. I ask for receipts. They should have receipts of what they bought. And if it's locally bought, all the better. So if it comes from a store like Commonwealth, or if it comes from a store like Soul Academy, then or the Adidas store with the receipt, much better. Number 2, I check the pair myself when I meet up. So I make sure that all the telltale signs for it being authentic are there. And number 3, I research on the reseller. I do a quick vouching test. I ask for people to vouch for that person if he's a well-known reseller or not. I take a look at his Facebook profile. I just do some whatever background check that I can. Because that's really important as well to be able to find out if the pair that you're buying is authentic or not. Number 4, if I'm still having doubts, I actually take pictures of the shoe and I ask for a second or a third opinion. There are a lot of Facebook groups out there who do legit checks or LCs. So they can be the ones like your secondary or final layer of people who will tell you, or it will give you advice if the pairs that you bought are you know, genuine or not. And across all 4, these two pairs checked out, so I'm very confident with the authenticity of these two pairs. So just a quick unboxing. So obviously some of these don't look brand new anymore because I pretty much wore them already. Just put them in the box for the drama. So this is the blue tints. I've been really watching out for this one, or ever since it came out. This, by the way, looks much better in person than in pictures or in video. So if you have it up close, then you see how really awesome it is. I really don't think that photos or videos do justice for this shoe. You guys have to see it for yourselves to see how good it is. And finally, we have the belugas. By the way, if you guys haven't checked my entire sneaker collection yet, I'll put the link down below where you guys get to see all the sneakers that I currently have in my collection. And that's actually it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. And please do make sure that you hit that subscribe button because we have a lot more of content coming up in the next few days. God bless, peace, subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram.